Hello, it's another video from me. I am talking today about my different workshops that you will find on my website, and I will tell you that those are for absolute beginners or for EFT practitioners, as in like you practice EFT and you just really don't know what you're doing. And you just want to learn how to actually use EFT properly. At the moment, I've got workshops how to use EFT for yourself, how to use it in situations to relieve stress or calm yourselves, how you can use it on physical symptoms if they are recently developed. You can also use it. And at my first workshop, you also learn how to use it on your family, maybe your pets, maybe your kids, maybe your partner or friends. So that's an introduction to EFT, and it's, like I said, in a small group setting, and it's live, and yes, and it's online. And you go on my website and you will find out all about it. Another workshop I am offering at the moment is an EFT introduction workshop where you can learn how to apply EFT to get out of old relationship patterns. So basically you learn how to use EFT generally, but you also gonna learn how to really start tapping if you've got a relationship problem and you really want to get out of a pattern because you see yourself repeating the same patterns over and over. This workshop, of course, is general, but you will learn how to actually start tapping, and you can use tapping to optimize your relationships with any relationship. And I'm not talking just about intimate relationships. It could be to your children, it could be to your intimate partner, it could be to a friend or your mother or your father, etc., family members. Then another workshop I'm offering this year and at the beginning of next year is about how to optimize your business. For example, you feel you've got blocks and you're not actually growing in your business, or you could be in a job that you actually hate. You hate your boss, you hate the pay, and you just want to move out of your career, move out of your job, and you want to have a career. So that EFT introductory workshop that I'm offering is also an introduction how to use EFT, but to gear it up so you can actually change your job, improve your business, and maybe you even find your life's purpose. Because as soon as we start tapping, and those workshops are ideal to learn tapping once again, we actually clear blocks, and it could be with anything, but you have to be specific with EFT, and that's why I created these workshops. You can actually get an introduction, but also kind of gear it up to specific things such as business, jobs, careers, life purpose, or relationships, or just using it for yourself and for other people that are close to you. So I hope that made sense. Do go on my website and fill in the form. The workshop button is underneath the workshops, and then we have a chat. Okay, I'll see you then. You'll see me in my next video. Bye.